this is Jaman from Future IT Vision, Java for Beginner Part 17. Previous video 16, part 16, I show you how to do loops and while loops. Now I'll be show how to do while loops, and also you will see what is the difference between do while loops and while loops. So now I already created the class and the main method for saving purpose time. I'm gonna say int I equal 20. Okay, now I'm gonna say do and system out linked system output linked. I'm gonna say RDS you result equal and plus I okay. If integer I equal 20, system out this, and I said here I plus plus okay. Then I say over here while I less than 30. Okay, I say here while I less than 30. So now over here, let me explain you. Integer I equal 20, which is the variable, the I value is the 20 over here. Now I say do system do print out this result through this loop while less than 30. So what do while will be does? Do while basically before check the condition, they will be print out whatever I provide over here, because the condition is the bottom of the after do, there is no conditions there. So first whatever code is there, it will be take a look, work one time, and then after that is go to the your condition. If condition is truth, it will be go through a loop. It's not going to go through a loop first. Do will basically first will be print out for you what I equal 20. If condition not true, it's not going to go through a loops. If condition is true, it's going to loop through loops. Let's run and take a look. Okay, there is a expected where I think I made mistake here. Let's see. Yes. So now take a look here. The print out from 20 to 29. So first print out this 21. Okay. So when then we go to the condition. If condition, then this is condition is true, they printing out this. So now how will we check actually this is in a condition true? We know the condition is truth, but if I say it, if condition fails, so what do you think? It's gonna go through loops? Think fast. And for me, it's not going to go through loops because I greater than 30, but over here I is 20, which is the less than 30. Let's run. See, only one time I told you guys, whatever we provide here, I this variable which is printing out is not going through loops, condition. So for example, basically the do whatever you have first, then go to the condition. If condition is truth, print out the loops. Okay, that's my code is doing here. So basically do will be whatever you have in the code will be run, and then go to the condition. If condition true or false, based on that it will be go loops or not loops. Okay, so that is the do while loop does. So keep practicing home, change the conditions and take a look how is it work. If you don't understand, if you have question, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will be try to answer as soon as possible. And also if you like this my video, please press the like button and subscribe my video if you don't subscribe yet.